Good morning, student. In this video, we are going to learn to identify the types of sentences. In previous video, we learned already the types of sentences. The first one is Saral Vakya, simple sentences. In simple sentences, for example, Deepak कंप्यूटर सीख रहा है. दीपक एक उद्देश्य है. उद्देश्य मीन सब्जेक्ट. कंप्यूटर सीख रहा है is a videyi, that is predicate. You would have studied in English also. So in simple sentence, there will be a subject and predicate. Sometimes two subjects and one predicate will come. For example, Deepak और विमल कंप्यूटर सीख रहे हैं. So दीपक और विमल सब्जेक्ट, that means उद्देश्य in हिंदी. कंप्यूटर सीख रहे हैं से विधेय. This is for example for सरल वाक्य. And second type, संयुक्त वाक्य. That means compound sentence. In this sentence, two independent sentences will come. In between, there is a conjunction word to connect the two sentences, two independent sentences. For example, मैं लिख रहा हूँ और तुम पढ़ रहे हो. In this example, you can see मैं लिख रहा हूँ is a sentence, तुम पढ़ रहे हो is another sentence. So, और is a conjunction. In compound sentences, there will be two independent sentences. The conjunction word will come to connect the two sentences. So that is called compound sentences. The third example is Misra Vakya. Misra Vakya, complex sentences. In this kind of sentences, complex sentences, there will be a main class and subordinate class. For example, राम ने कहा कि मैं बाजार जाऊंगा. राम ने कहा is a main sentence. मैं बाजार जाऊंगा, it's a subordinate class. Main class, subordinate class. The key is a conjunction to connect this main class and subordinate class. राम ने कहा, क्या कहा? मैं बाजार जाऊंगा. राम ने कहा is a main class, main sentence. क्या कहा? मैं बाजार जाऊंगा. This sentence depends upon the main sentence. So in complex sentences, there is a main sentence and a subordinate sentence. Another example, वहाँ एक नलकूप है जो बिजली से चलता है। वहाँ एक नलकूप है जो बिजली से चलता है। जो means which. This word is a hint word to identify the sentence. Key is the indication to identify the sentence easily. वहाँ एक नलकूप है जो बिजली से चलता है। So in complex sentences, there is a main sentence and subordinate sentences. There is a main class and a subordinate class. So सरल वाक्य, संयुक्त वाक्य और मिश्र वाक्य। वाक्य के 3 भेद हैं। सरल वाक्य में एक उद्देश्य या 2 उद्देश्य और एक विधेय आएगा। संयुक्त वाक्य में 2 स्वतंत्र वाक्य होंगे। उसे जोड़ने के लिए एक योजक शब्द आएगा। मिश्र वाक्य में एक प्रधान वाक्य आएगा और एक उपवाक्य आएगा। Thank you. In the following videos, we can learn some words to identify the sentences easily. Thank you.